I'm looking at the M37 open cluster in the Auriga, constellation Auriga. And I'm using the 13mm eyepieces here. One of them is a SkyWatcher SWA, and the other one is a APM HDC 100 degrees. This is 70 degrees field of view, that is 100 degrees. And when I compare the image with it together, this has the APM has a wider field of view. This has a slightly smaller field of view. But the contrast in this one is better. The stars shine better, more visible. It's a bit strange, but I prefer both of them. But this one is a little more clear. The dim stars of the cluster. So that's a good comparison. Wow, this is APM HDC 20mm 100 degrees, and I was looking to the M37, and I moved the telescope on this Dobsonian mount slightly to the left and right. It was a panoramic view, as if I'm in the spaceship. In front of me is just a big glass window, and I'm looking at the stars. That's the feeling that you get. I don't know, is it because there is a little distortion, but that's how it looks. Wow. I have here for the information, I have 22mm SWA. I didn't get that feeling with this one. I may try it again, but with this one, definitely the feeling was there. So that's one plus point for this. Thumbs up for 20mm. I'm using the SkyWatcher SWA 22mm, and I compared it with this 20mm APM HDC. This is a spacewalk experience. You move the telescope and you see that you're in the middle of this space. This one is a good eyepiece, best eyepiece, one of the best eyepieces. The stars are more visible with this. There is good contrast and visibility. But spacewalk experience is not there. Although it has a 70 degrees field of view, it's nothing compared to this when it comes to the spacewalk experience. So thumbs up for the APM 100 degree eyepiece. It is very unfortunate that this eyepiece is out of stock. We cannot find it. So if you find it, just buy it. This is good. This is good, I'm telling you. Better than the Export Scientific. As good as the Export Scientific, and so reputable observers have said that. And yeah, doesn't justify to pay £500 more to get the ethers, Teleview ethers. That gives you what you want. Just for the sake of mention, I'm using the SkyWatcher ED80 apochromatic refractor, and this is the APM HDC 20mm eyepiece.